So hello and welcome guys. Today I'm going to tell you that how can you improve your English speaking skills and how can you speak in English fluently. So now we will talk about the first one. So first one is start thinking in English. Whatever you are thinking, you will have to start thinking in English. You will improve yourself and there are some words which you don't know that how to speak them. So you will have to work on your vocabulary. So I'm going to tell you how can you improve your vocabulary also, and you will have to learn it in like a sentence as what did you do in your whole day, so you can translate it. So let's continue with the next tip, and the second tip is make conversation. Conversation is very important. Be fluent in English, and for the conversation you have a need of other person to whom you can talk in English. But what about when you are alone and there is no one to whom you can communicate? So here I'm going to tell you about two apps where you can communicate with the strangers and professionals. They will help you in your improving English speaking skills. So in this video I will tell you about these two apps, and the first app is Cake. You can install it from Google Play or Play Store. You can easily get it is free app. You can communicate to any professional. There are professionals who will treat you and they will talk to you in English, so you can improve very well your English speaking. It will take some time but you will have to do it. This app is really going to help you. So our second app where you can talk to anyone in English if you want to talk and there is no one to conversation, so you can the second app is Cambly. This is really going to help you if you are a beginner, so no worry about it. Here you will get many professional English speakers and they will communicate to you. And third, which is very important, when you are speaking in English you will have to be confident. You don't have scared that you are speaking in English that may be wrong, whatever it is, so you will have to do just that. There are some you can correct your words when you are speaking in English. There are some words which may create problem when you are speaking, but you don't have to fear. And now we will talk about the fourth step, four tips, which is very important. Practice. Without practice you cannot do anything. So so to speak in English fluently you will have to practice. Whatever you are doing in your whole day, you will have to think in English. You will have to do efforts for that. Whatever mistakes you are doing, no worry, you can correct it later if you, but you will have to find out that where you are doing. You will have to learn. And fifth, which is also important, listen properly. Until you will not listen properly to other person, then how can you answer him properly in English? When someone is speaking in English, just listen him properly, then answer his question. And because until you will not know that what other person is saying, then how will you answer of his question? It may create problem. For good listener is a very good person. Until you will not listen to other person, you can't give correct answer to that person. So I hope you like my this video. If you want more videos like this, then please write in comment box and I will make sure to make my another video on that topic. So if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. I will make sure to make video on your topic.